I hope you're doing really well today. This week I'm coming with a slightly different look. And I'm just going to show you a brief tutorial on how I do my heart cheeks, which is why my cheeks look a bit crazy right now. So I started with applying this tape. You can use a couple of different methods, but my favorite is this tape method, and I'm literally just using gaffer tape. But I just basically cut out some kind of medium-sized hearts out of gaffer tape. And it just makes this look really, really precise. And yes, my hair's looking a little different today. I put a little temporary pink hair dye in it to go with my pink look, so I'm really excited. But let's get started. So after you've kind of stuck these to your face, you're just gonna get your blush. Where did my brush go? Oh, there it is. My pink brush. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and this is my Dandelion blush by Benefit, and I'm gonna go really kind of a bit hard into the pan with my blush brush, and then I'm gonna go right around that shape there. And it's just something that you want to build and build, especially up here where the shape is a bit more precise. And kind of go up into the temple a little bit. So I've done both cheeks with this blush, but we're gonna want this look to be quite strong and striking. So I'm gonna go in with another blush, which I don't know, this is like Music Flower 5-color blusher. It's something I got from online on eBay, but basically I use this almost like bubblegummy kind of shade. And I'm gonna go in with a slightly fluffy, more precise brush. This thing is awkward. I'm gonna go in with my fluffy, precise brush and plenty of pigment on there, and I'm just gonna go kind of around the edges like that. And you want to be gentle, and you want to make sure that that gaffer tape sticks on nicely, so you want to kind of poke it every now and again and make sure that it's laid down right. So as you see, you kind of go all the way around the circumference of that heart. So I went around the two shapes there, but it's gonna look a little bit too strong. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of wipe off the excess of that brush. And then I'm gonna go into a slightly softer blush. This peachy blush I'm gonna use from the Too Faced Peach Glow palette, which is just a soft peachy shade, and it's gonna make a nice transition into that soft pink we used earlier. So I'm gonna just put that around the edges of that kind of stronger color. And it's gonna make a nice blend of color. It's like painting. This look could be a little bit too blushy for some people, but I love a good bit of blush. And you can go once over again with that big fluffy brush that had that original color on it. Just to marry all the colors together seamlessly. Now, the moment of reveal. Yes, you have lovely, subtle hearts on your face. Now, you can stop there if you want this to be a kind of more subtle hearts look, but I like to go around the heart shape to just define it even more with a white eyeliner. Yeah. And I go in a little bit like that. This white eyeliner kind of sucks a tiny bit. It's a little bit, I don't know, crinkly or something, but it works fine for this. You go all the way down. You kind of have to hold your breath while you do that. But it's okay if you mess up. That's what makeup wipes are for. And you can always kind of fill in the color again if you have to. It's just a case of not going inside that particular line. So I will do the other side. Now my hearts are looking really nice. I'm really happy with them. So we're gonna do a little bit more blush on the face just to kind of balance the whole thing out. So I'm gonna go back into this shade, Dandelion by Benefit, with my big brush, and I'm going to kind of just tap it a little on my nose as well. Kick it off my nose, real simple. And I'm gonna put a little bit around my lips. Kind of tapping it in, almost like giving it a circular thing. And I'm gonna take, it's hard to describe, but basically I'm just gonna take this same brush and I'm just gonna pat in there and then also pat into this blush shade as well. Kind of mix and match. I'm gonna dust that off again on there. And I'm going to do the same thing over my lips. Yeah. And I'm gonna do a little, I'm gonna do a little highlight. And today I'm taking Fenty Beauty in Diamond Bomb, which, I mean, since I got this, I use it for like every look. Because it's just a very, very nice hint of glitter to anything. So I'm just gonna kind of just bounce that right there in a C formation around my wing. I don't want to go over this too much. So I'm just gonna tuck it right in there. I'm gonna take it under my brow, on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin for good measure. And I'm gonna finish this whole look with just a little lip gloss. The one by Essence, the clear one. Don't know if it has a special name, but it's my favorite lip gloss of all time, and I use it all the time. And it's just a perfect clear lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It just makes you look so plump. And my hair is mad. I'm going to come back with my styled hair and everything. So I will see you then. Hi guys. So this is the finished look. I want to show you guys my whole outfit as well. But what do you think of the pink? I actually kind of love it. I don't know if I would keep it because it wouldn't match all my outfits, but it's so cute. I actually really love it. Yeah, so I might show you my whole outfit there and my hair and everything.